Hey guys, what's up? This is a different sort of video. I have bought a office chair for myself and it is a gaming chair. So I'm gonna unbox this, assemble this. I've ordered this from Amazon and here's this chair. This is by Green Soul. I'm leaving Best Buy links in the description section. I'm unboxing this, I'm assembling this, and after assembling this I'll use it and then I'll give you my reviews. So this video is gonna be made in parts but stitched together, so make sure you watch it till the end. This is a very useful video. I have got recommendation of this chair from some friends and I also saw that the reviews of this chair are very good on Amazon, so I was very impressed and I was looking for a comfortable and ergonomic chair for a very long time, and what better than a gaming chair. It costed me around 13,000 when I bought it. The prices keep fluctuating, so you may see the price slightly higher or lower, but it is worth every penny. Even if you're getting it 15,000-16,000 rupees, it is still one of the best chairs that you can get. But I'll reserve my reviews to the end of this video after using it for some time. Just based on some recommendation I have bought it, and let's get started with the unboxing, assembly, and in the last part would be my review. I've unboxed the chair and these are the parts. As you can see, this is the top part and it contains two pillows. This is the neck pillow and this is the lumbar support pillow. This is the seat. These are the armrests. This portion goes at the bottom of the chair. This is the hydraulic cover for sides, screws and other tools required for assembly. And this is the base with the wheels, and there is a pair of cotton gloves which is included for assembly as well, which is a nice touch. So here these are cotton gloves. Very nice touch, very nice packaging. Now let's assemble it. As per the manual, we first have to fix the base. Step 2 is to get the seat prepared. Step 3 is to fix this part with this part, and step 4 is to assemble the top part with bottom part. I fixed the wheels. Let's do the next step. This hydraulic cylinder has been placed, and now it is time to place these cups which covers or hides this hydraulic cylinder. Now let's create the base of the chair. For that we'll need some of these screws and these tools. So let me open this first. Now it's time to put these two parts together, so let's do it. I'm bringing this video practically very late. It has been more than 6 months I've been using this chair, the Green Soul that I showed you unboxing before, just before this clip. And this chair has been supremely comfortable. I'll talk about all the practical aspects that I love and a few things that are a few quirks, things that I don't like about this chair. So let me give you a complete detail of my review. So first thing I'll show you from behind the camera. It would be easier for me, but it has been 6 months plus that I'm making this video. I'm absolutely sure about each and everything, each and every aspect that I'm talking about. So make sure you watch it till the end. So first thing, that the back cushion that they give, this small cushion, it's actually unnecessary, and you can use it if you are short heighted and if you don't reach all the way back, but it is not needed for most people, so that you can use it as an extra cushion. But this cushion is actually very helpful. It gives you a good support to your neck while you are sitting, especially when you keep it upright. The handlebars or these handrests are really comfortable, and you can twist them like this, so depending on how your keyboard is placed, and you can raise or lower them as per your comfort. And also since the seat reclines, you can use this lever like you have in car seats or racing seats. This one also gives you different angles. The bolster support is also very supremely comfortable, and I have not had backaches even for one day since I've started using this chair. It takes some time getting used to it because the back is a bit stiff. So just like in cars, this feels a bit stiff, and the chair that I was using earlier was soft and more cushiony. The lower cushion is still good, but the back cushion is slightly hard, and it has been kept hard for a good reason, because it gives a very good and tough support to your back, lower back especially, and it gives you supremely comfortable and relaxing seating posture. And after you get used to sitting on this chair, which probably takes 1 or 2 days, you would not like sitting on the soft back chairs, because you would not feel as supported on your back as you would feel with this chair, which is extremely good. So this has been a very good companion. I have spent more than 6 months on this chair. The wheels etc have been really smooth. The height adjustment also works like a charm, although I have kept it at the lowest height because I don't like my feet hanging in the air while I'm sitting on this chair. So this has been extremely good. The back angle, I keep it slightly reclined, but you can recline it a lot if you want. I don't like too much recline on the back because my lower back has some pain issues that have been there, but now they are not here after I've started using this chair. Now there is one drawback. If you are taller than 5 feet 10 inches or 5 feet 8 inches, you might want to consider the higher model. I'm leaving Best Buy links to this chair as well as the higher model, which is slightly larger than this. So if you are tall, you would probably not fit so well in this one. Once I started using it, I felt that this probably the seat length is slightly smaller for my build. I'm 5 feet 7, so I'm on the verge. They recommend that if you're 5'8" or taller, you should go for the bigger size, and they are right now running at good discounts on Amazon, so you can get them at the price cheaper than what I bought it for. I paid around 13,500 or 14,000 rupees for this chair. It is selling for cheaper than that, which is a bargain. It's a steal for this sort of chair. The quality is excellent. The fabric is quite good. It's very breathing. It feels very durable, and it does look and feel very nice. The fit and finish, although the wheels have gotten some dust because of regular usage, but they are super smooth and they run really nice. So I would recommend this chair to anyone who is looking for a comfortable office chair, or someone who uses computer a lot or who games a lot. It has the sort of adjustments that you would not find in any ordinary office chair, although it costs more than an ordinary office chair, but it is definitely worth every penny. So it is highly recommended from me. If you are taller than 5 feet 8 inch, make sure that you pick up the larger size. The links for this size as well as the larger size I'm leaving in the description section below this video. So go ahead and get one for yourself if you want something comfortable and you would not regret your purchase. Trust me, the support is also very good. They will keep in touch with you. They will call you, send you the links to the installation videos, and they come in very handy while you are installing this chair, because you have to do self installation. It comes packed in a box, so that is a bit of an effort, but it is all worth it.